drive. Very windy out here today. So far so good. I hope you can hear this because the wind is pumping. Everything's working well. Here we are. We've done fork seals, carburetors, chain, and we're almost ready. Well, we are ready to go on our first ride. So join me. I'm going to take some footage as we go on our ride. But first, let me just take a little walk around, show you what we've done. Flip this around quick. So we put new fork seals in, and I decided to put a set of boots on. And we tidied up the front forks. So I think it's looking pretty good, like that. And I cleaned up the frame for the panniers, gave it a paint. Other than that, the bike's pretty good. Haven't had any other issues on the little test runs that I've been doing, but we'll take her out and put her through some paces. So, welcome back, guys. We're 40 k's in. 40 k's in. Let's flip this around. 40 kilometers in on our test drive. Very windy out here today. So far so good. I hope you can hear this because the wind is pumping. Everything's working well. And all working well. We're having a blast. Let's take a look at this. Open fields, as far as you can see. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Nice to get out for an afternoon just to go and enjoy the ride. I'll take a little bit of footage as we go. It'll be a short video, just enjoying the bike. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been on a bike. Anyway, let me get back on the road. I'll check on you later. So guys, we really have some wonderful roads to travel in the backcountry roads here in South Africa. I hope you can hear me here. So this little road here goes up through an area called Woody Cape along the coast on the Eastern Cape. So I'll try and video some of it as I travel through it now. Hope you enjoy. One little problem I've come across, I've lost the nuts here. So this thing keeps bouncing on the wheel. Anyway, we'll have to sort that out when we get home. In the meantime, let's go and ride. How beautiful is that, huh? Look at that. Stunning, stunning views. Stunning road, afternoon. I hope you can hear this. Very windy out here. Check this view, guys. Check the dunes, Woody Cape coming out there. Just be careful of snakes. Stunning.